up? It's Kristen. Today I have an unboxing, a company called Luxury SB. It's Luxury Scentbox had reached out to me to do a review on their perfume products. And they sent me this box, which I think is amazing. And inside, what they sent me was this bag here to put your fragrance in and 3 scents to try out. And then it comes with how to use your Lux SB box, scent box. And I think it's awesome. It's $15 a month. You get this product here, which is amazing. And I'll go over the scents that I did receive. And look at this. Look how pretty this is. It's $15 a month where you can receive this. And then there's other months, they'll send you just the insert. And the first shipment, you'll receive this awesome container here that screws up, and you can take it and you can spray your product, which is amazing. This smells so good. So what I'm gonna do is unscrew this to see what perfume is in here. And let's see. Let me see how this works. So thank you for becoming a member. They match you with the perfume scent fragrance that you go in, you take a test and see what you like, what scent you like. And then if you do like it, you could purchase the regular size products on their website. So on here, it tells you how to use everything. So it says open and close. So it tells you to twist up and you're ready to use the product, and twist to close. To refill, push the glass vial out of the case from the top. So let's see if I can do this, which I did. I just pulled up and here is the glass vial that came out. This is Valentina by Valentino, and it has the scent on here. And these are authentic scents. And this one smells absolutely amazing. And let's go to the next one. So that was the first one. These boxes are awesome too. You could store them in here, or you can store it in this. And it's not a commitment. Like every month you can receive a scent, and you could change it up. I like to change up my fragrances every month as well. So, and also this is great for travel. I do travel a lot. I could put the scent in there, and the size of the bottle and scent is 9 milliliters, which is bigger than other scent subscriptions. So I think that's amazing as well. So it will last you probably a little bit over a month. So we shall see. So the next one I got, let's open the box. And here it is, the awesome box that they had sent. Same type of thing where you take it and you just screw up and then pull it out. And this one I got was Gucci Bloom by Gucci, which smells, oh my God, absolutely amazing. So awesome. It smells so good. I actually would like to put this on today. I don't want to mix scents. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, that is amazing. So this here, look how it just screws up. I think that's so cool. And then last but not least, the last one that they had sent me is in a green bottle, which I think is amazing. They have all different colors. And every quarter you'll get a different container and holder, but when they send you the next set, they will send you just this vial, which is awesome. And you don't have to keep, you could just replace them like this. So you don't have to throw this out. So the next one is Shea and Blue Watermelons. Let me spray this one, see what this one smells like. Oh, wow. It does smell like watermelons. That is so yummy, and it smells amazing. So they gave me a promo code. It's Kristen Reviews 35 to get 35% off your first month. So I think that's awesome. I will have all the information, all the scents that I did receive below, and the step-by-step on how to use Luxury SB, Luxury Scent Box, down below, and click on my link and use my code Kristen's Reviews 35. All one word. I'll put it here so you guys can see and go over and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.